Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn Google Maps notifications on or off. So here I've already on the Google Map apps. So to find the settings, you can just click on your photo at the top right corner. Then here go to settings and scroll down until you find this notifications menu. Select that. Okay, so there are 6 notification settings that you can set. So for example, I'm going to select the notification on location and profile. You can see the current setting is off, so I'm going to make it easy. If you want to set the preference for all, for example, I want to turn this on, all of it. Just click on set preference for all, then click on click on OK, and just like that the notification will be off. But if you want to turn it off, for example here, okay, I'm going to turn this off. You can also do the same. Click on set preference for all, then click on off, click on OK. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.